In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your LinkedIn account without using a passport. This can be a handy way to complete your profile verification if you don't have your passport on hand or prefer to use an alternative method. So let's jump right into the process. First things first, you'll need to open the LinkedIn app on your phone. It's important to note that this verification process is carried out exclusively through the mobile app, so you won't be able to do this on the web version. Once you have the app open, head over to your profile. You'll want to tap on your profile photo again, which will bring up an option to add a verification badge. This badge is crucial as it adds a layer of authenticity and trustworthiness to your profile, making it more appealing to potential connections or employers. Give it a few seconds for the page to load completely. Once it's ready, you'll see an option to verify with Persona. Tap on that, which will initiate the process. Here, you will choose your country from a list, agree to the terms of use, and provide the necessary consent for your information to be handled during verification. When you're ready, you can tap Continue, and then you'll be prompted to select Yes, Continue. At this stage, you'll be presented with several verification options. These include using an identity card or a residency permit, both excellent alternatives to using a passport. If you prefer to use your identity card, simply select Identity Card from the list. You then have the option to either upload a photo of it or take a new photo directly through the app. Alternatively, you can choose Residency Permit and go through a similar process of either uploading or snapping a quick picture of the document. Do keep in mind that, in some cases, you might be asked to take a selfie for additional verification. This step ensures that your selfie matches the photo ID provided, adding an extra layer of security. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to verify your LinkedIn account without needing a passport. This method is straightforward and allows you to ensure that your profile reflects the authenticity you strive for without much hassle. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Tap the bell icon as well so you never miss any of our future uploads. Your support helps us continue to provide helpful content like this. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.